Firstly, remove the engine cover. This is simply lifted off the engine. Remove the rail connector by first pulling back the locking tab, then pushing down on its releasing tab and pulling back on the connector. Connect the factory rail connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Connect our rail harness plug to the rail sensor. To access the boost sensor, we need to lift up the cover at the back of the engine. There are two clips holding this in place which need to be removed. You will now be able to access the boost sensor. Remove the boost connector by first pulling back the locking tab, then pushing down on its releasing tab and pulling back on the connector. Connect our boost harness plug to the boost sensor. Connect the factory boost connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Replace the cover and holding clips. Connect the unit to the wiring loom. Place the unit in the supplied protective bag. Route the unit and harness away from direct heat and moving parts. Secure the unit and tidy the wiring loom with the cable ties provided. Replace the engine cover by pushing it back into place. If you have any questions, please contact us.